Join me for a day of getting some cleaning done around the house, adding some new decorations and furniture pieces, and also just some regular rearranging and getting rid of a few pieces as well in my home. I hope you're ready for tons of motivation, and in this video, let's go ahead and get started in this dining room. I was going ahead and cleaning up after lunchtime because the kids were down for quiet time and nap, so I wanted to have a blank slate that I could also take down my Easter decorations because I was doing that today as well. So I wanted to have this space clean so that way as I was taking down decorations I could just set it here, and then at the very end I could put everything into a bin. So you're going to see as we go throughout the video that I'm going to be doing some cleaning, taking down decorations, and doing a little bit of decorating. I'm not going crazy with the decorating. I'm mainly just kind of fixing things if they fell out of place, but I wasn't really focusing on that. I was just trying to get things kind of rearranged. I had a few ideas of things that I wanted to change and try, so I went ahead and was trying those things. Also just wanted to give a few of the spaces a few like dustings, and then a lot of my Easter decor, it was already like decorated before, so I just added it there so I really could take it away and didn't have to do much like decorating. I would love to add a few more pieces, but for now I think it is totally fine. But if you haven't seen any of my shorts, you're probably noticing something new. I guess if you have also been watching my videos, if you've never watched a video, this is nothing new for you. But this rolling cart we got from Costco, and I had talked about many times about different ideas for what we had for this space, because we just have this open hole that is just wasted space and it looks hideous. So we had talked about just building out a full like cabinet there and then like painting or just leaving that part white. We couldn't really figure out an idea, and we also are renting this house. We're like, how much work do we want to put in? But also like, it's such an inconvenience having this not here. So our plan was kind of just to build out the cabinet, and then we would kind of see about painting the whole entire kitchen once we kind of got that done. But in the meantime, I saw somebody post about this cart on Costco, from Costco, I mean, and I was like, okay, that's a really good deal, and it was $125. So I was recently just there and I saw it, and seeing it in person, it was set up. I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I called my husband and he's like, those measurements, it'll fit perfect. You should be able to open up the dishwasher, all of the things. So we got it. It fits perfect. It doesn't fit exactly from side to side, but it works and it fills the space, and it looks just more put together than having the open hole. I wish it would have had cabinet doors, and that would have just like sealed the deal for me for sure. But what we're thinking is, because these cabinets in the kitchen are already like a Home Depot, Lowe's kitchen cabinet, we should be able to find fronts that look like it, that we could add the doors to match and just paint them like white or something like that. And then my husband was also like, we can make it so it doesn't roll, but it kind of is nice sometimes that the cart is rolling because we have that extra storage. Right now none of it's organized. I need to get that done. I think I'm going to add some baskets to fit some of the stuff that was in the drawers, and then other things will leave kind of there. But I'm really looking forward to decorating. I've just been kind of trying to decide what I want to do. You're going to see I got that knife block out. I can't remember if I actually ended up leaving in the talking part. I think I did. So I'll kind of talk about things a little bit more, but the knife block, I just want to get a new one. That one is just not working out. I want to get like a tall one that like kind of just more stands up. It doesn't go super wide. I found one at Walmart. I can't remember what the brand is, so I might go ahead and get that one. I want to add a cutting board or two or something to the cabinets, and then we're also going to do backsplash. If I don't talk about it in the talking part, I will talk about it here in just a second. I'm about to kind of talk and give an overview of the kitchen so far, but I'm just giving the floors a good vacuum mop, just that way everything is cleaned up for the most part. It's a little later, so sorry about the lighting change, but here is this rolling cart. I realized I forgot to kind of show a complete overview of it, but this is what it looks like. I've probably mentioned we eventually might like fully build it in the cabinets, but for now we're just going to do little baskets, and that's going to be great. And then we can still be able to use these drawers down below. And then we also want to just get some cute decorations. We're thinking peel and stick backsplash down all the way along, putting plywood underneath it so it actually matches up. And then I also want to get a new knife block. The one I was showing before just wasn't working out. It's too wide, and if I stick it anywhere on the counters, we just don't have enough space. So I'm definitely looking for one of those. So if you have good recommendations, let me know in the comments so I can find one that I want. I don't know if I want to go brown or white. I think I'm leaning between one of those two colors, but let me know if you think another color would be good. But this is just the perfect addition to the space. It actually fills the hole, and I think once we get that backsplash, it's gonna make it all come together. I don't think I mentioned, but we're gonna do like white subway tile, I think, and it's just really gonna brighten up the space. And then I'll look for some new knobs. For now, we're gonna hold off on the painting until we kind of get this done. I want to focus on some other projects, and I think this is a good way to have the space be functional but not have to do too much, especially since we are renting this home. I don't want to put too much work into it, but eventually, depending on how long we are here, we might do that. But I just wanted to give an overview of this cart because I officially didn't, but it definitely fits a lot better. When I found this at Costco for 125 bucks, I was like, I am getting this right now, because a lot of them were going to be too wide so you couldn't open up the dishwasher, or like they weren't tall enough, and this one is like right out countertop level. Like it's not quite there, but it's like close. So this was like the best thing that we could have found. All the Amazon ones look cheap, so I'm so glad I found this. But just wanted to show you this. So we rearranged this living room a couple of months ago, and I knew I wanted to get rid of the end tables. The circle ones were just not working out in this space. So I remembered I had this end like side table when I cleaned out my storage room, and I was like, maybe it'll fit there. So I had my husband bring it up for me, and it does fit. So you're gonna see I put that over by the couch. You'll see in just a second, but I first just wanted to get this laundry folded and then just get the living room cleaned up so we had a clean slate. And I ended up making just like a really quick decision that I didn't like the rug in here anymore. And I think it's because I didn't really like the shape of it. But after the rearranging I did, I think I could have just switched the way the rug was set up, so, have it just kind of turned. But it was kind of getting old and gross, so it's fine. I'll leave it without the rug for a little bit, you'll see, and then maybe I can find one later that I need. But I am kind of glad though that I'm thinking I don't need as big of a rug as what I thought I was needing, so that's at least nice, because I was thinking it was going to be an expensive rug, and that's really what was kind of making it so I wasn't buying one yet. But I am really liking the new setup of how I moved everything. I just kind of squished everything in a little bit more. This living room is really awkward, and so trying to find a good balance of making it look good is really hard, especially because we do want it to be functional, but also I want it to look nice as well. So in theory, what I probably would do if it was just me and Trajan, I would have the small couch be where the long one is, and then the long one on the side. But since we will sit here as a family and watch a movie, we can all fit together on the long couch, and so it's just not practical to have more of the love seat over there. So that's really why it doesn't fully flow, because I think that it could look better if I did that. But it's okay, it works. But we're going to take this rug up. It took me a minute to do. It's definitely weird just seeing gray, and that's the one thing that I kind of like about a rug, is it just gives a little bit of contrast. But lots of projects in this space, hopefully going to be happening soon. I need to find some new pillows. Those ones are just, or not those ones, but I just need some. They're just, the couches are blank is what I was basically trying to say. And so I need to find something for that. And then along the back wall with the hutch, I'm going to paint that, I think, just white. Get the blanket ladder. I'm still just looking for the right one. I might just go ahead and get the white one at Hobby Lobby. I was really wanting a brown one, but I just haven't been able to find one. And then I'm going to get a piece of artwork for the back part of the wall with the hutch, and for now I might use this picture that is right here where I'm putting this table. I'm not exactly sure on that. We're just gonna kind of see how it looks when I move everything, because this I just don't like right here. I would rather put a mirror or another piece of big artwork there. This is just, I don't know, I'm not loving it. So that's what I'm thinking. And then on the wall where my hutch used to be, if you have been watching for a while, I think I'll show it here in just a second. So the wall along here, right where I'm sitting, when we get family pictures done, I'm going to do family pictures along that wall. So I think between all that, the living room will come together, and then you will see a few clips. I'm going to be adding some pots to where my windows are by the fireplace. I'm just using my centerpiece for my table right now to kind of show, and that's honestly what I would do, is just basically get another one like that. But I haven't been able to find that pot, and so I've been kind of having a hard time with it, but that's okay. But anyways, that is going to be really close to the end of this video. I'm just kind of showing you how things are turning out. You're going to see I just kind of add some simple decor here, just the lamp that was already on the nightstand, this little tray, and then some flowers. I really didn't know how I wanted to decorate this space, so I just figured just adding something simple here would be just great. But I really like this, and I'm really excited to kind of decorate it. I was already thinking though, what am I going to do with my Christmas tree? And I'm already thinking, because I moved the couches far enough up, I think I can put this behind the couch for that time. So we'll kind of see. I mean, that's months and months away, but also my brain's always thinking different holidays, how I can decorate things, all of that. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. But I'm going to go ahead and put these decorations away for Easter. I've loved having them out, and I honestly would have kept the bunnies out, but I was like, if I'm taking out the Easter, I'm just going to do it all. But I left kind of the more springy things. But then I'll give you a few more after shots. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching, especially this rambly type video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all very soon here in my next one. Bye!